I was aware of the possibility of a startup company coming from the lab due to me having lived in Silicon Valley, where everybody's a part of the startup company. I just anticipated that at some point, but the actual specifics of what it would look like were not clear. I'm Michael Zabala, and I'm an assistant professor of mechanical engineering at Auburn University and the director of the Auburn University Biomechanical Engineering Lab and the founder of ExoArmor Technologies. ExoArmor combines a smartphone app that allows the end user to perform a 3D scan of the athlete's body with 3D printing itself to provide perfectly custom 3D printed pads for athletes of all sports. And it wasn't something that I set out to intentionally do. It was more or less came out of a specific need expressed by Auburn football, and we eventually developed our own 3D scanning app. We refined the print parameters and the print processes here in the lab to allow for extremely fast and extremely strong prints to occur. That ultimately led to us placing these 3D printers in the athletics facilities. And so now when we do work for Auburn University, we send print jobs over the cloud to their 3D printer that's located in the athletics complex. They don't have to put their athletes on golf carts and ride over to the lab anymore. It's a very quick and seamless process. The benefit of having a perfectly customized pad is that it follows all the contours of that person's body, and therefore it provides perfectly distributed protection against forces and impacts. One example would be the shoulder, where you've got a lot of different contours with the different anatomy there, especially with the collarbone. And using the 3D scanning and the 3D printing, we're able to make parts that follow those contours and help protect against previous injury, or in some cases, the prevention of future injury. The Auburn University obviously is a customer of ours, and Clemson University is a customer of ours as well, and West Virginia University. And the latest is the Atlanta Falcons. And we have also made gear for numerous other universities. We have a 3D printer in the NFL, and we have made gear for high school players also. And it's not just available for only football players. We've made gear for up to 7 different sports now, including hockey and lacrosse and even basketball here at Auburn. Hopefully soon we'll be able to offer it to the individual through our website, where they can go in, they can download our app and scan, for instance, their shoulder, and we can make something for them and ship it to them. But that's the plan for us to expand into that capacity. Our organization is involved in helping these athletes get back on the field and helping to prevent against injury. And selfishly, and I think you tend to view the wins and the successes a little bit different. And maybe you had a part in that, maybe not, but it's fun to think that you do.